You are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is ELECTROLUX oven. This oven has been in operation for close to about 8 years now. Don't have any issue with the machine. This is the operation part of the machine. You can see these key parts. This soft key, all these soft key are completely gone and need to be replaced. It's a very rugged machine. You can see the internal structure, the electronics and electrical system. It has one blower fan. This is one of the best blower fan compared to other type of oven blowers. Here you have a very mini circuit board. You have some of the contactors, all of them, a safety breaker in case of any surge, power surge, the solenoid valves, water pumps, and look at the network, water networks, all of them very intact. You can see that it's a very old machine, mainly looking at the water hose. So this machine has been was brought to workshop for maintenance. This is the element terminal. Now they say the machine is not heating properly, so they need to actually read the element to the ground to see if there's anyone that is shorting. Anyone that is bad need to be replaced as soon as possible. You can see this is a desktop ELECTROLUX oven. Very rugged machine. So this is an internal relay also. These are some of the filters. And look at the handle. So this is the internal structure. Still very, very good and strong. After maintenance, the machine will return it back into operation. This is one of the hoses. That's where the power supply enters the machine. This is the connection to electrical connection to the machine. If there's any fault, this will trip. As soon as you troubleshoot and find out exactly what's the problem, then you will return it back. That is resetting the circuit breaker. So it's a very simple machine to use. Yes.